Hi friends, welcome back to my channel and welcome to a brand new video. So today we are reviewing the ColourPop X Toy Story collection. Y'all, I am so excited. If you know me personally, I love Toy Story. It's like my all-time favorite nostalgic movie. The number one and the number two are like my top favorite. I can recite most of the movie by memory, which is a little embarrassing, but I love it. So today we are testing out the eyeshadow palette. Of course, I have pretty much the entire collection. The little mascara, we have the little lip glosses, which are these, and just everything else in the collection. If you love ColourPop, if you love Toy Story, if you are a collector, this video is for you. And if you're not interested in that, but you just want to see an amazing, super easy, colorful eyeshadow look, then this video is also for you. Yeah, with that said, grab your cafecito and let's review the Toy Story X ColourPop collection. I'm so excited to review the collection. Let me show you what I have. So here we have the entire ColourPop X Toy Story collection. Okay, so let's quickly go through everything. This is a limited edition Toy Story collection. Take your glam to infinity and beyond with our new playful collection inspired by Disney and Pixar's Toy Story. We get an eyeshadow palette. Reach for the sky with 15 colorful, super pigmented shades in matte, metallic, matte sparkle, and pearlescent glitter finishes. Oh my gosh, look at this. So it's kind of like raised, so you can feel it. It's the iconic scene when when Buzz picks up Woody from the rocket and they start flying. If you know, you know. Woody says, Buzz, you're flying. And he says, this isn't flying, this is falling with style. Don't ask me why I have that memorized. Open it. This is where you get to see the beautiful, gorgeous colors. ColourPop never misses with their shades, and I think this one is very much in theme. We have green for Rex, and then we have obviously blue that kind of ties in like the cowboy theme, or not the cowboy. Then we have blue that is a little bit for both Jessie, Woody, and you can even send the alien. We have a little bit of the brown, which ties in with Woody's hat, his boots, and even the horse. I forgot what his name was. Leave me in the comment section down below what the horse name is. Then we have the baby blue and the white that actually goes with her. I also miss Bo Peep. Yeah, that's her name, Bo Peep. We have 4 ultra glossy lips. It's time to shine with sheer shimmery lavender, gold, pink, and coral shades inspired by Pixar's Woody, Buzz Lightyear, Bo Peep, and Jessie, infused with hydrating hyaluronic acid. Oh my gosh. Again, the packaging is so adorable. Here we have the Jelly Much eyeshadow trio. Play all day with icy white, baby pink, and pinky violet shades for high impact metallic color in one swipe, inspired by Pixar's Ham, Lotso, and Forky. We also have the Sour Candy Lip Mask. Nourish your lips with this swirl lip mask inspired by the Pixar Aliens. You'll be eternally grateful for it. Infused with lip-loving raspberry seed oil, shea butter, and vitamin E. Oh my gosh, I love that line where they keep repeating, you saved our lives. We are eternally grateful. And freaking Mr. Potato Head gets so annoyed. I love Mr. Potato Head too. He's such a sassy pants. Last but not least is the BFF Volumizing Mascara. Get instant volume, length, and lift with this super pigmented Pixar Rex inspired mascara for fearsome, vibrant lime green lashes. This is lime green and the packaging is so cute. You guys know that Lincoln is a dinosaur loving boy, so this one actually came off. I'm going to say this for him. He actually has this toy and it's hilarious, the phrases it says. Also, he's one of my, like, I just love them all. He's also one of my favorites. He's such a scaredy cat and he's such a like airhead like me, so we vibe. I think I'm gonna go with some sort of green look since we do have the green mascara and I wanted to tie in. So let's jump right in. Oh my gosh, I am so excited. I have not been this excited for a collection in quite some time, if I'm totally honest. I love their collections, but Usually the collections are themed from characters or movies that I don't really care for, and Toy Story, I'm telling y'all, has my heart. But first, let's try the lip mask. By the way, if you do want to get this collection, it is limited edition and it is available at Ulta. So I would go into Ulta and check out. Ooh, let's see. Ooh, my lips are so crusty, so this is gonna come in super handy. It smells a little citrusy, but a little sweet at the same time. I'm starting off with the shade Settle Up, which is a nice brown. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited for this. And I'm going to throw that into the crease. That is genuinely such a pretty soft color. Perfect transitional shade. Unfortunately, I think if you are like any deeper skin toned than me, this might not really show up on you because it is a little on the lighter side, but I like it as a very soft transitional color. I can work with this. Let's try this lime green, which is beautiful. This one can play on with like T-Rex, the alien, not T-Rex, Rexy. What's his name? Rex? The aliens or Buzz. So it's a really pretty, like softer green. The summer. Oh, that's pretty. I'm going to lay that down all over the outer part of the eye. It is pretty, but I think this would just pop more with like a white base. So I'm going to take this green right here. It's called Rex Flex, and it is a really pretty, almost like metallic green, and it has a little bit of some crazy undertones. Also, we have the little shimmer eyeshadows, but I'm not going to use these. Maybe, but they're not really colors that go with what. Oh my gosh, that is so pretty. That is so pretty. I really like that. Okay, I need to bring up the green a little bit up high because it's looking a little crazy right now. I'm going to take a little bit of the brown, which is called Infinity, to Infinity and Beyond. And I'm also going to mix it a little bit with Saddle Up, just out here in the outer corners, just so it's not so like bald, because there really isn't like a lot of transitional shades, which I'm starting to be okay with palettes not always having all the shades that I need. Like, it's more for the theme of the movie and them creating colors that go within the characters, if that makes sense. So it's okay. I don't expect them to add 30 different transitional shades for me just because that's what the princess likes. So I'm working with what I have, okay? I am, however, just going to lightly blend this in towards the green. Y'all, I have to take my daughter to her pediatrician, and I'm trying not to like overdo it with the makeup. Not that I really care. If anything, I probably will get complimented. Anytime that I wear loud makeup like this, people usually compliment me. They're like, oh my gosh, your eyeshadow is so pretty, your makeup is so pretty. So it's not that it bothers me what people say, but I'm just not really used to wearing loud colors like this anymore. So for me, I'm just like, well, let's keep it a little more toned down. I applied some lashes. I'm finally wearing the black Glamour lashes. I feel like these finally go with the look. I also added a little bit more of Infinity into like the lash line just so they can combine them. And then I really didn't do much. I did add a tiny bit of my bronzer into my crease just because I feel like it's still needing a little something, but I'm not going to be too extra. Added some green to the lower lash line. And then I went in with this. Sorry guys. My camera has been heating up on me a lot, and I'm afraid that it's literally going to explode because it says overheating. But I added a little bit of this like shimmer jelly much shadow into the inner corners, and it's really pretty. I mean, it has a little bit of an iridescent pink undertone, so I didn't want to go too crazy. And the other ones just don't really match the vibe, so we're not going to use that. I am really excited for the lower lash mascara. You can use this on your top lashes, obviously, but I'm wearing falsies, so I'm just going to use this for my lower lashes, and let's see how this looks because I've seen some people use it and it looks amazing. Where's my mirror? Look at that. That is the wand. I've actually been wanting to like get into colored mascaras. I've been wanting a blue one, but I just haven't found one. If you guys know of a good blue mascara that actually, you know, shows up, let me know. I love this idea. I love this concept of a colored mascara. Like, we don't get these often, and we definitely need them in at least every collab. Like, we can get rid of the Jelly Much shadows and we can, you know, do colored mascaras or even colored eyeliners. That would be so much fun. Look at that. I mean, you can't see it because it's like green underneath, but look at that. Oh my gosh, this actually works. Okay, love this. Let's finish everything off using one of the ultra glossy lips. I think I'm going to go with this one because I think this is the most suiting. It is called Favorite Deputy, and of course it's woody. Going in with the gloss. Oh, ah. Oh my gosh, that is so sparkly, but it's not gritty on the lips. Oh my gosh. Oh, the way it sparkles and it matches with the eyes. Yes. And here is the final look. Oh my gosh, this collection is easily one of my favorites ColourPop has ever released. The little lip glosses are not only so adorable, like look at that. They just they look so pretty on the lips. The eyeshadow palette is amazing, colorful, bright, the right shades for spring and summer. I'm definitely going to use this more. The mascara has to probably be one of my favorites. I love the touch of green. This is perfection for summer too. The Jelly Much Little shadows are also really nice. I just personally don't really use them or even reach for them that often. So for me, it's like something that I would skip in the collection if I was buying it. But overall, I think this is such a cute collection. And if you love collecting anything Pixar or Toy Story or just ColourPop collections in general, I think this is one for the books. All the links will be in my description box, so make sure you check everything out. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Let me know your thoughts on this collection. If you're going to buy it, are you going to skip on it? Are you buying it just to collect it? Let me know. Let's chat in the comment section. Other than that, have an amazing day. I love you. Stay safe. And yeah, I'll see you in my next video. Bye.